Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm attempting for the first time my spin on Vietnam Tiger Stripe Camo. I'll be using this receiver set, but the process works on anything as long as you can put it in the oven. Polymers and plastics can even be done at lower temps for longer periods of time. The first step is to remove any finish on the parts. I use aluminum oxide media blasting followed by a bath in acetone. Then it's a good practice to cook the oils out of the parts before you paint. You don't want to have any adhesion issues down the road. I chose black as my base coat on this one since that's the color I wanted the inside of the receivers to be. Then I bake at 180 for 15 minutes. Cerakote won't stick to fully cured cerakote, so you have to get it to flash but not cure completely. This is the reason that most tend to use Duracoat or other air dry products for camo. Once it cools down, I assemble the receiver set with some old drill bits just to hold it together for the remainder of the finishing process. That starts with adding the first layer of stencils. I use 2 shades of tan for this step just to add visual interest. Then it goes back into the oven at 180 for 15 minutes. Once it cools down again, add another layer of stencils followed by the green paint. It'll go back in the oven at 180 for 15 more minutes, and then you can remove all stencils and final bake it at 300 for 1 hour.
Went for a walk with the stars last night. Did not believe that I would end up right. Lucky endings were not something for me. I drove around all across the land, thought that I was caught in a maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright, 'cause I've been hanging with you, and it feels like love. Tell me if I'm wrong, 'cause it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. Yeah. I think about you and I want you here with me. Am I out of my mind, or is this how it should be? You made me sing about love, so just tell me if I'm wrong, but it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Yeah. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. A little crazy for you. Hey. A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now, baby. I'm a little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now, baby.
The finished product is a premium finish that you'd pay a premium price for, but you can do this on your own for pennies on the dollar in your own oven with some cheap eBay or Amazon stencils. As always, thanks for watching. Please post your questions below if I didn't cover something.